You spend hours editing your video. With this 5 tips, you will edit like a pro in no time. Let's go. Cut in camera. What do you mean? In movie, they have a script. Imagine going to a movie set and you don't have a script. Director, please, director, where are my script? Where are my script? Oh, I got it now. Yes, you must have a script. Hey, but I'm just a YouTuber. What can I do? Look, as a YouTuber, you still need a script. You don't need a script, but you need an outline, brother. An outline. What you gonna say? That is called cut in camera. Go on and 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 on. Where is gonna end? Something to say in front of the camera. Otherwise you froze. That's right. You be froze and you don't know what to say. Cut in camera. Have an outline. You're good to go, brother. You mean the best tip for editing is have an outline? Damn it, I've done this all this wrong, all this time. I knew it, that was so simple. Number 1 tip, edit in camera. Got it. Tip number 2, begin with the end in mind. What the hell is begin with the end in mind? What is that? I'm gonna make a blockbuster? A MTV? Yes, that's right. I'm gonna make an MTV. That's right. No, you are a YouTuber. You don't make MTV. You don't make MTV. No, you go to your last thing, the last edit, and you edit backward from there. Oh my God, how is that possible? Edit with the end in mind. Oh my God. That's right, my friend. You edit your videos with the end in mind. So you go to your last thing that you take, which usually the best anyway, right? Because you have so many times you saying over and over again, right? Over and over again. Usually the last shot is the best shot. You edit from the end and it will make your edit much smoother and you cut out the front. Edit with the end in mind. Boom! Oh my God. Second tip just killed me. Unbelievable. Edit with the end in mind. Who is this genius that come up with this idea? Who is this? He's the TimelapseNuts and you should subscribe to him. The TimelapseNuts, best editor in the world. Tip number 3, edit in the waveform. Learn surfing and I'm be a great editor. That's right. I'm gonna be a great editor just by surfing. That's right. Woohoo! No, idiots! You edit with your audio waveform. Edit your audio waveform and you cut out all your silence. You cut all that out with the waveform because it's silence. So there's no wave, right? When you speak, there's a waveform on your timeline. So you go to your timeline, the waveform, and you cut the silence, the That's right, my friend. Edit with waveform and you'll be much happier. Man, tip number 3 just blew me on my mind again. So I don't have to become a surfer, become an editor. But I want to become a surfer. I want to become a surfer myself. Surfer or editor, you gotta choose one. Okay, I'll be an editor. A YouTube editor. Okay. Tip number 4, you don't have one camera. You have multiple cameras. That's right. Amateur make mistake with just one camera. Professional, we have plenty. Yeah? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. The phone as well. Look at that. Multiple angles. That's right. You need multiple angles as an editor. As an editor, we need more footage. Give us multiple angles. Amateur has only one camera and professional has multiple cameras. That's right, my friend. As an editor, amateur had only one camera. Oh my God. That's what I've been doing so wrong. I only have one camera. Panasonic GH6. I need a Sony A7S Mark III, Canon C something, cinema camera. Okay, that's gonna cost me $10,000. No, my friend, one camera with your iPad, with your iPhone, and that should be do. We editor need multiple angles, otherwise there's less footage for us to play with. Understand? Oh my god! Finally, got it. Multiple angles. That's right, multiple angles. One here, one here. Okay, camera A, camera B, camera C, camera Z. That's right, camera Z as well. Tip number 5. B-roll save the day. B-roll will save the day. B-roll will save the day. B-roll will save the day. B-roll, what the hell is that? What the hell is B-roll? B-roll. I need to have B-roll in my camera. I need to have B-roll. I need to shoot B-roll. B-roll. Don't be a fool. Your B-roll come from your script. That's right, my friend. Your B-roll come from your script. You strip it up first, you know what shot to get, and you will have the shot beforehand, right? You know the script already, so you know what shot you're gonna take. You have your outline ready, my friend, so you know what will enhance the storytelling. In movie, they have an establishment shot, boom, big city scenes, okay? A time-lapse helicopter shot over the city, and you know that city ready. So my friend, that's right, you just need to learn to include B-roll to enhance your storytelling. Finally got it, B-roll. B-roll enhance my storytelling. B-roll, I gotta have B-roll from now on. B-roll. Tip number 5, amazing, B-roll. B-roll will save my day. B-roll will save my day. That's right, B-roll, I need to have B-roll in my life. B-roll. Hey, thanks for watching this far. I hope that 5 tips can really help you with my partner here, New Yorker, loud New Yorker, right? My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. As you can see, I'm very crazy with this video, right? Yeah, I strip it up. I do script the whole thing, outline, okay? Not the whole thing. I like to be spontaneous as well. That's what great actors do, right? They have an outline, they have a script, but they do the script and go further. You can do it with your own script, yeah? You don't have to be so rigid. It will make your video much more fun, more authentic, all right? If you like what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make this kind of content to help you become a better video editor. Come back to my channel, check out my playlist. If you have any editing problem, let me know, or shooting problem, any camera wise. If I not have the camera with me, or know about it, I will share with you my tips, okay?